Hi, what's your name?
My name is Harendra.
Harendra, how old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
Married?
No, single.
Okay. You work outside of Nepal? Work outside Nepal in Malaysia like that?
No, no.
Okay. You work only in Nepal?
Yes.
Where?
Yes.
Where you work in Nepal?
Tonguta.
Nankuta?
Yes.
What you do there? What job?
Wholesale.
Wholesale
Company.
shop?
Yes.
Okay. And now you want to go in a chicken farm? Yes?
Yes.
Do you think that you can work in a chicken farm?
Yes.
Do you have working experience working with the chickens?
I have no experience.
No experience?
Yes.
In your village there is no any farm? You have no chicken, goat, cow?
Chicken, bacon.
Yes, you have
Yes, ma'am.
in your village.
Yes.
Do you ever cut the chicken in your life?
Yes.
You cut the chicken?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you know how to make the pieces like that, you know?
Yes.
So you can work for the chicken farm.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes.
If you go there, how many years you want to work there?
5.
5 years. You are
Yes.
medically fit?
Yes, ma'am.
No any medical problem?
No.
Okay. Thank you.